You started it, didn't you?
I did.
Today we are painting a motor.
You gotta speak up.
Today we are painting my motor.
Oh yeah? We're not gonna let them know what color it is just yet, are we? Are we gonna save that for the end of the video?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I've already done the leisure work.
He did the hard work.
Yeah.
He did all the nitty gritty, and he made it me-proof, so I can't go too far.
That's right.
Because I will.
So let's give you a quick recap, or let you give them a quick recap of where did you start, or do you want me to do it?
You can do that.
Okay. So, this is Mary's, we found out the other video, 305. It's a TBI motor. It was recently rebuilt 10 years ago. Mary is in search of another project, and she's getting to come to the realization. See, I forgot where I was going.
I came to the realization I want to build my own. I want to start over. I want to do it all myself. Though I do not have the knowledge to do so myself, I am learning step by step. I have disassembled everything on the outside, got it ready for paint, cleaned it all off, and now we are to the fun part, which is painting. Today we are going to primer it, and we will go from there.
Yep, all the hard work's been done. We've already cleaned it up with oven cleaner.
And
brake clean, and we PB blasted to let it soak. That way it wouldn't flash rust. We came back off camera, got all the PB off. It has been brake cleaned again. It has been meticulously, I think that's how you say that.
Meticulously?
Yes. We have went over the entire motor, and it is now absolutely, positively clean and ready for paint. Mary has never painted with spray paint.
No, never painted anything. Not with a brush, not with a spray can.
You ain't never like rolled paint in the house?
No.
Wow. This is going to be interesting.
I was going to one time, but I was pregnant, and my mom told me, put it down.
So. This is going to be interesting. Grab your AR-15.
This is my rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Oh, no?
No.
Oh.
All right, now, while you're pulling that trigger, I want you to be very mindful. It is just like the impact, and if you kill it, it starts walking, so you have to keep your eye on it.
How long do I do this for?
I don't know. Ken says shake thoroughly for 2 minutes, so...
30 seconds?
No.
With this thing, yeah?
A minute. Oh! So, look, there's this right here. No, you can't do that. So, watch this. So, you're going to do this. Push it down. Now you're gonna ratchet just like that until it's tight.
I can't get another one in
Good
there.
and tight.
No, I cannot get another one in there.
Yeah.
See, if you break it, I'm not in trouble. There's a big difference.
All right, slowly do it. Slowly give it some trigger. If you keep it upright, it won't go nowhere really.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
This tickles.
But you keep doing you. So we're gonna be like painting all of this, getting it ready. We're not gonna be using the valve covers, the intake, the distributor. We're not gonna be using any of that stuff. So we left all that on, so if we get overspray on it, it's not the end of the world. But again, get all this stuff situated. We still have an aftermarket intake. We're not going to do that this video. This is purely painting for the satisfaction of someone is learning something. So, day 3, and we're going to get this going.
All done?
No.
It's been like a minute.
No, it hasn't.
It feels like it.
Oh. Alright, today's flavor of paint is 1K Raptor paint, courtesy of Mary's Job. So, come on, come in.
I'm here.
Alright, so when you're painting, you do not need to be into it. Now watch this. See how far back I am?
Yeah.
But look how light I'm doing it.
Okay. So don't go full trigger.
Yeah, if you go full trigger, you're going to get these wet spots. You do not want wet spots.
Okay.
You want to do it light. You could actually go back a little further than what I'm painting.
Okay. Well, let's see how this goes.
It's your motor.
I'm shaking it like I didn't just use.
Step back a little bit. All right.
I'm like like forever and a day away.
Right there. That's good. That's good.
So right here.
Yep. Now look.
I'm listening.
Do not directly hold it in one spot. Oh, you're left-handed too.
You knew this.
Oh man.
Well, not only that, but I cut my finger wide open last night. Yeah, no, I can't do that. Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm not. Ooh. This feels so wrong.
Go ahead. No, go ahead. No camera off now.
I would rather you didn't.
Right
here?
Yeah, no, a little further back.
Right here?
Yeah.
This feels wrong.
Come on, master.
No, thank you.
Didn't it once upon a time you wanted to be an auto body paint tech?
I still do.
Come on.
Is that too much?
Feels
too much.
Look alright.
Okay. Do I need to fix here?
Here.
No.
Let me help. Let me help.
I got it.
Let me help.
I got it.
Okay.
Do I need to fix here and here or keep
No,
going?
you
Because
can.
we're
It's
doing it
fine.
light?
Yeah, we're doing a light coat first.
Okay. Do I need to get here and then go?
Oh, yep.
Here?
Yep.
This far.
Yep. Don't put it directly on it. You wanna lay in. It's fine. That's fine. I knew you was gonna do that. You wanna lay into it. You wanna look at my hand. Shh.
Okay, so all the way.
Yep.
Even. Okay. I don't like this.
You're too close in.
Okay.
You're getting a little wet.
So now go up.
Get that spot right there just a little bit. Fan into it. There you go.
One more time.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
You can go up.
I feel like I'm gonna press it, Jordan. It's just gonna all come out.
It's awkward now painting the motor, ain't it?
It's awkward because you have me on camera, and I'm not a camera person.
Oh, well, this is fantastic. Comment down below if you think Mary's going to get through this.
I'm not. Ooh.
You're doing great.
Do I need...
Keep going.
Do it again in that little area?
Do it in that little area.
Yeah. I'm asking.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's your motor.
Okay.
All right. Now come this way.
Part of me just wants to turn the...
No, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, I know. Do I need to get...
Uh-huh.
So we're going to start here.
Uh-huh.
Too far. Too close.
Try it. No, oh, you done sprayed the crank thingy. How did you do that? I got tape on it. Look, go upward.
Okay.
Go upward. No, you're close. Back up a little bit.
I hate you. Why are you making me do this on camera? I'm awkward enough. Stop laughing at me. Where's Leo? There he is.
Nope, you don't get to turn the camera off.
Why not?
This is actually funny now. Now you have more respect for me painting the motors?
I've always had respect for you. There's a reason I don't touch a spray paint can. Ooh. No, that's too close.
It's your motor.
It's too close, wasn't it?
Yep, it was.
Did I miss anything?
Yeah.
Where? Gladly. You had it. No, I meant on this side of it.
Hold on.
That makes me feel a lot better. You getting right there.
I know. It looks like you're gonna have some difficulties.
Oh, me? Never.
Back a little bit. The paint trigger is just like the impact. The lighter you touch it.
Well, I mean, I knew that. It's just trying to hold it correctly, and I'm not doing a good job. I keep trying to get too close. Yes. You're about to say something?
Are you gonna reveal the paint color that they're gonna paint?
No.
Okay, so we're just gonna have to reveal this after you put the primer on it. So we're gonna have to like not record you painting paint on it, right?
I mean, you can. They're just not gonna know until it goes on there.
They're gonna know as soon as it hits that primer.
We can, you know, you can be on the other side and they won't see the color.
That's fair.
And then they can see at the end.
Okay.
That way they can enjoy my awkwardness for a little while longer. Too close.
I'm just
Huh?
The little guy behind you reminding you that can was $22. Why you spraying the air?
I know, okay? Just gonna.
I even taped the dipstick.
I saw that.
And you're probably still gonna hit it.
I sure am.
It moves.
I know, I moved it. But if I hold it right here, this doesn't move. Ooh. Okay, first off, nope, you gotta go. I'm scared. I'm legitimately scared.
Yeah, you didn't think much about it until today, didn't you?
I didn't.
Because it depends on you.
It's still not painted where I was trying to get it.
That was my hand.
Here, let me help you there. I didn't get you. You can't even see it.
I felt it.
You can't even see it.
That's not going to change the
I
fact
was freckled
that
last night. I don't want to hear nothing.
that's not going to change the fact that this motor's still not painted.
It is not. It's a good thing we're not keeping those.
Huh?
It's a good thing we're not keeping these.
Oh, I knew that from the jump.
I'm glad you did.
Tell you what, once you get the majority of it painted.
I would love that. You ain't even got to finish that sentence. Okay, where do I need to fix?
Now you got to start hitting it from the bottom.
Okay, so down this way?
Yep, because look, there's nooks and crannies and stuff down there that
Okay.
you're going to have to hit.
You hold that. He's the best.
What did we learn?
I am awkward.
Yeah.
We also learned, give me a piece of wood next time.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Yes.
That takes all the fun out of it.
Nah. We also learned I missed a lot.
Yeah, but you got the majority of it. Well, yeah, I know.
Why are we getting up there?
You got the top side of the head.
Oh.
I've already cleaned that stuff.
Every time I was trying to get your face away from the chain, you would move back into the chain.
Yeah, it'd be fine. I'm gonna let this dry, or we gonna let this dry, and
We'll be back.
we will be back. Clearly, it's gotten very dark outside, and that's my fault. So, I had to run to the store, pick up a pack of cigarettes. Didn't have my cigarettes. Checked another spot. Didn't have my cigarettes. So, I came home.
10 minutes turned into 60.
10 minutes turned into an hour, and I came home with not only the pack of cigarettes I didn't want, but some potato skins. Pork skins?
Pork skins.
Potato skins.
Pork skins.
Pork skins?
Show them the bag. I'm telling you, it's pork skins.
That bag's all the way across the yard. Anyway, the first coat has dried. Everything has dried to the touch. It looked pretty good. Combination of Mary and myself did a pretty good job on that. What do you think?
I didn't do it. You did it.
Oh, you did it. They saw you do it.
I did add it.
You did add it?
Yeah.
Did add it. So, Mary doesn't want you to see the color. So, unfortunately, we will not be showing you the color process. What we're going to do is I'm going to snap my finger. It's going to be a new day, and this is going to be painted a different color. Yeah?
It's painted.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Before anybody says anything on the color, I know that this is not a Pontiac motor. I'm well aware this is a Pontiac color. Ask me if I care.
Do you care?
Not at all. It's so pretty though.
You did a good job.
I will not take the credit. You put the blue on. For good reason. I wanted it to come out good, so I let you do that part.
So how do we feel about spray painting?
That's a you job.
That's a me job?
That's a you job.
I mean, I gotta get some black and
Fix my mistake?
it'd be alright. But
it's so pretty.
It is pretty. This is a late Pontiac blue, not an early Pontiac blue. An early Pontiac blue had metallics in it and was just a little bit lighter. Now,
I wanted that one, but beggars can't be choosers.
The clear hasn't came in just yet, so we're just gonna hope that the clear lightens it up a little bit. And if we happen to come across some flecks or something, we can kind of dust them in there. I also took my paint pen marker and kind of like gave the block some accents. Accents, yeah. Again, we're not going to be really reusing any of this stuff, any of that stuff, or all that's going to be gone. So I've already ordered you the valve covers. Next video, this is going to be on the engine stand. You're going to be taking the valve covers off, swapping the intake, pulling the distributor, and all that stuff. And we're basically going to get it in a position to where it is ready to go in a vehicle.
Yay.
So this will be the last of Mary's little speed shop for a little while until we find a platform to put this in.
That's not Bondo.
That's not Bondo.
That's not
okay, so she's already made the executive decision that it will not be going into Bondo. So if you're a fan of Bondo, I am sorry.
It's for sale. Give me a number.
Bondo is not getting this. So we got a couple options. You guys see on the community tab some stuff that I was looking at. So maybe. We still need to figure out accessories and all that. We don't know if we need a short or a long. Depending on the project vehicle that we get for this, I'm going to hold off on buying accessories and all that stuff. Just because I want to see in the vehicle what are we working with, and we might try to do some fancy like little March accessory drive setup, or who knows. There's a couple of them. There's a couple manufacturers that do a couple little nuanced things, but I'm rambling at this point. It turned out really good. I'm actually really impressed with how everything laid down. I'm glad we didn't have to open the inside of this motor up because
I'm so glad that you put the blue on. That's what I'm happy for.
I'm just happy that we didn't have to open up the inside of the motor.
I did my best.
You did. You did great. If you said blue or Pontiac blue in the last video, comments down below. Good job. I wanted this orange. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I was picturing.
Ironically, orange is my favorite color. But we have done a lot of orange, and you just kind of get tired of it.
Well, that's because we've been fooling with a lot of Chevrolets and Mopar stuff.
I know, but I wanted like a light purple, like the lilac. I wanted that. But I also wanted this done quickly and not have to wait on paint to come in. So you know what? You win some, you lose some.
Yeah. What I was picturing was orange block, the black fin valve covers, the aluminum intake, all that cleared, and like a chrome accessory drive. I say chrome, what I really mean is like the polished look. Like the polished water pump, the polished alternator. Like, I think that would have been killer in an older vehicle. Something caught your attention?
Yeah, I was checking on Leroy.
Squirrel.
I was checking on Leroy.
But we're rambling at this point. We're going to wrap up this video. If you guys have been enjoying all of these little nuanced little videos, I greatly appreciate it. Not saying that these videos are just buffers so I could save money for that thing or anything like that. I would never do nothing like that. No. Holiday system. Man. What?
On Hippo?
No, on
okay. I thought
on
you
the
pointed.
bread box.
I thought you pointed to Hippo, and I was like, why?
No, Hippo's never made an appearance on the channel as of yet.
Yeah, that's true. We haven't got started on her yet.
Yeah, but that's a whole can of worms that I'm just not ready to open.
I am.
I'm glad you are.
I've had fun with you guys. See you next time.
Remember to like, subscribe, and stay safe. Stay
hydrated.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. You did a good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.